Level 3, Flyer. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks was walking in the forest when she found a little house. She knocked, but nobody answered. She went inside. On the table, there were 3 bowls of porridge. She tasted the big one, too hot. She tasted the middle one, too cold. She tasted the little one, just right. She ate it all. Then she saw 3 chairs. The big one was too hard. The middle one was too soft. The little one was just right. But it broke. Tired, she went upstairs and found 3 beds. The big bed was too high. The middle one too low. But the little bed was just right. She fell asleep. Soon the 3 bears came home and found her sleeping. Goldilocks woke up, screamed, and ran away.